Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset Facebook password if you forgotten. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, after you open your Facebook, as you can see now, I forgot my password for my Facebook account. So to reset your password, all you have to do now, make sure to type in your phone number or your email address that is attached to your Facebook account in this paste section and tap on this continue login or tap on this forgot password button. So if you tap on this forgot password button, as you can see now in this session now it will search your email address as you can see now. So tap on this search button, continue button. So if you tap on this continue button, as you can see now, by default now it will just go and search your Facebook account. As you can see now, here it says we will send you a code to your, as you can see now, here is my email address that's attached to my Facebook account. So all you have to do now, tap on this continue button. So as you can see now in this session now Facebook will send me a code through my email address that is attached to my Facebook account. So now I'll just wait for the code to arrive. So as you can see now, here is the code now. I received the code and I type the code now. Now tap on this continue button. So as you can see now in this session now it will allow you now to create a new password for your Facebook. As you can see here, it says create a new password. So type in your new password in this section now. So after you type in your Facebook, as you can see now, I type in my password now. So after you type in your password, all you have to do now, tap on this continue button. So as you can see now I log in into my Facebook account. That's it guys on how to reset your Facebook password if you've forgotten. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.